Very good afternoon to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, and also to all the citizens of this beautiful country, India. Friends, today at 3 pm, Narendra Modi is going to decide the fortune of India. Not as alone, but in connection to COVID 19. All the CMs of different states of India are going to give their feedback, and later he's going to announce a couple of things which becomes the important decisions, and these decisions are going to cost lives of citizens of India, which is very important. Friends, what I personally feel as an assumption of his decision is exactly in two ways. If Narendra Modi is a true politician with humanity, then he will never think the way Donald Trump has thought and done for America. Reason being, Donald Trump knew his election is going to come near and economy is going to fall. With that reason, he opened all the public places, and later the coronavirus has extremely affected America, and it's in a very, very bad economic state as well right now. But Narendra Modi, if he doesn't think the way Donald Trump has taught, and if he thinks in a humanitarian perspective, according to me, he should continue this lockdown as the first lockdown what he did, very, very strictly for the next 25 days to 1 month. If not, America is not like India. America is comparatively less populated than India. So, if the same thing what Trump followed is followed by Modi, then it's definitely going to cost a lot of lives of Indians, and you will see the bodies on roads, which will be the fortune of India, no matter whatever safety measures are being followed. Reason being, once these pandemic go to community level, then the hazard of spreading rate is very, very, very high and not a negligible thing. Friends, today's decision by our Honorable Prime Minister, who is an admiration to the entire world, is something very, very important. And I really hope and I really guess that our Honorable Prime Minister is going to take a very right and strict decision at this point, because after May 4th or 5th, like that, the lockdown has been going to a little low level and no strict rules were followed. And right now, especially in Karnataka, there has been a rise of coronavirus patients, and the recovery percent is just 50. There is a 50% recovery which has happened in Karnataka. Out of 848 cases reported, only 424 cases have recovered, and there has been 31 deaths till date in Karnataka, which is something really fearsome and shocking to hear. And we also don't have so much ventilators and facilities and all those stuff, and there are also corrupt politicians everywhere. Out of all these things which is happening, it is very important for a PM of a country. Definitely he can't come to the grassroots level and check things, but his decisions matter a lot and lot for this state and the states which are surrounding us as well. So and even states like Maharashtra, which has highest number of COVID-19 patient. So I sincerely request our Honorable Prime Minister to strictly continue the lockdown further, and also please close all the bars and all the wine shops and MRP stalls as soon as possible. If not, the coronavirus is going to kill the humanity of Indians very badly. I think if you think in an economic perspective that your economy is going to rise, but it can only happen for some time till people come and take the products of alcohol and go home. But after a certain extent, it's going to cost a lot of lives for our country. And then it will be the blame which will be put on the party or on the prime minister and things like that. And I really don't want that to happen to our honorable prime minister. So I sincerely request him to take a right decision at the right point of time, that is today at 3 p.m. And I also request each and every one of you to kindly support and share this particular video and make it reachable to every person, every politician as early as possible. As you know, in India the total cases which has been reported as on today till now is 67,152, and the active cases right now is around 42,000, and the recovery people are just 20,917, and the number of people dead in India right now is 2,206. And as you know, friends, in the last 24 hours 4,123 cases have been detected, which is definitely a shocking thing, and it's the highest number of cases detected till date from the day corona has started in India. So it is very important for our Prime Minister to take a right decision on this and make sure my country, my India is safe. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Thank you for watching this video. Myself Sushant Shetty. Kindly subscribe to Speak with Sushant YouTube channel.